Hello guys, and in this video we'll talk about how you can increase your win rate using different timeframes, or in other words, timeframe synchronization. So I will tell you what is a timeframe synchronization. I will show you a couple timeframe combinations that you can use in your trading, and also in the end of the video I will tell you, I will show you some examples of timeframe synchronization, and I will show you why you need that and how it will increase your win rate. So let's start. What timeframes you should use? First of all, you have to understand that those are just an examples, and you can do your own combinations, or you can use these combinations. For example, those are just an examples. You need to do your own research and your own backtest. But for example, I use daily time frame with 30-minute time frame, and our other mentor uses daily time frame with 1 hour time frame. Also, for example, if you want to trade swing, you can use weekly time frame with the 4-hour time frame, or you can make your own combination, as I said. So, for example, 4-hour time frame with the 15-minute time frame, if you want to scalp, or something else. It's up to you. You need to do your own research, and you need to do your own backtest. And right now, we'll talk about what is a time frame synchronization and how to do that. What is timeframe synchronization? Timeframe synchronization is when all my timeframes are telling me the same story. So for example, as I said, I use daily timeframe and 30-minute timeframe. So when 30-minute timeframe is telling me that the market is going to grow, and the daily timeframe is also telling me that the market is going to grow, it means that my timeframes are in synchronization, and it means that the probability of the trade that I will take will be higher than the probability of the trades that I would take using only 30-minute time frame. Because the higher the time frame is, the more liquidity is on the fractals of this time frame. So it means that basically it's stronger. And you need to understand that you can use more than 2 time frames. So if you need, for example, you can use 3 time frames. But I wouldn't suggest you to go over 3 time frames, because in my opinion you're just making things harder than they should be. Because when you use 4 time frames or 5 time frames or even more, then you have to analyze them all, and you have to wait for them all to be in synchronization, and it's a lot harder to do with 5 or 6 time frames than it is with 2 or 3 time frames. Now let's see some examples of the time frame synchronization, and first example will be the position that I took in February. So on the daily time frame I can see that the price is currently moving at bearish order flow, so it goes down and it works with the liquidity and with the fair value gaps also. And here I can see that price took out a very strong pull with the liquidity, but I didn't see strong reaction, and often when price reverses from big liquidity pools, it does very strong reaction. So here I was still interested in short positions, because I have this very strong short bias, and I don't see the reaction here, so I think that it's just a correction. And I'm going on the 2-hour time frame, second time frame that I use. I think I can use 30-minute time frame or 2-hour time frame, and I combine them with the daily bias. So here I can see long order flow, but it's not interesting for me because I said that my daily bias is short. So I'm interested only in shorts, and I'm waiting for the synchronization of my time frames. So here I'm looking for a flip. If you don't know what's a flip, then you can watch our video about order flow. I will leave the link below. Then you will know what's a flip, what's invalidation, what's a zero information point, and so on. But let's move on with our video. So here market gives me flip, and now I'm interested only in shorts, and I can put my stop loss behind this rate of liquidity, and I will target this low. And that's it. Let's move on. Okay guys, now let's see our second example, and here we will start from the 2-hour time frame. I just want you to understand why exactly you need daily bias. Um, Here, personally, I don't really understand. Is it a correction for that short, or is it the main move? Because I see some work with the liquidity, but also it looks like equal highs, and I see this order flow, but also it doesn't really look very strong for me. And here, you can always search for help from daily bias, because if you open daily time frame here, then we can see this very strong bullish order flow. We can see that here is a lot of liquidity. We don't see the work with the liquidity, we see only equal highs, and because of that you can understand that basically it's logical for price to go higher and to take this target, and potentially even this target. And I took a couple positions here, or no, I took one position here, and I got break even, unfortunately, and then price reached my target, but sometimes that happens. And let's move on. Guys, let me show you last example that I have. So here we can see that price is moving at a very strong bullish order flow. We have very strong bullish bias. And also we can see that the price did some sort of reaction. But now for us it seems like a reaction from air. So it's not really valid for us. And let's see what gives us the Asian session. So Asian session continues to work with the liquidity and fair value gaps. And also we can see the work with the liquidity in long direction, so you don't really know what to do here. And in this kind of situations, you always can look for help from daily bias, because if you open daily bias here, then you will see that this reaction that I talked about on the 30-minute time frame, it's not reaction from air, but it's reaction from a very strong liquidity pool from daily time frame. And as you know, as you should know by now from our video about significant liquidity pools, if you didn't watch that video, then I will leave the link below. You should watch that, because you will find there a lot of information that you will need in markets. But shortly, you never know how the price will react on some sort of liquidity pool. And but here we can see the reaction, and we can see the order flow. So for us right now, short positions would be more preferable. Guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and remember that all information that I gave you during the video, it's not a step-by-step guide, it's information, but you have to do a bit of your own research, and you have to do your own backtest, because I gave you information, but you have to know how to use it. And for that reason you need to do your own research and your own backtest. And also remember that time frame examples that I gave you in this video, I mean, those are not only time frame combinations that you can use in the markets. You can create your own time frame combination. And if you have any questions about your trading, about this video or about another topic, then you always can DM us in Instagram or in Telegram, and follow us on our other social medias, especially on Telegram, because there we share our daily analytics. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.